Hi, welcome. My name is Jacques, a lifelong bartender, and I love to make cocktails. We're going to make some cocktails with Yuzu from Kuze Fuku and Sons, which is this incredible Yuzu cocktail syrup. Yuzu coming from a very specific part of Japan, and it's beautifully versatile when you make cocktails. Everybody loves a margarita. It's one of the most popular cocktails around the world. And today we're going to make it with Yuzu. We're going to start with some of your favorite tequila, equal parts of the Yuzu cocktail syrup mix. Simple to make at home or in your bar. And then a lovely little lime garnish. And there we go, your Yuzu margarita. Next, I want to make you a lovely daiquiri. Yuzu cocktail syrup mix, equal parts rum. And there we have a delicious Yuzu daiquiri. Cheers. Today we're going to make a wonderful sour with Ichiko Saiten Sochu and the Kuze Fuku and Sons Yuzu syrup. This is where the Yuzu really is versatile because you can do it with vodka, you can do it with gin, you can do it with sochu, and why not add a little bit of Yuzu to your favorite beer? Lovely IPA, a lager, gives it that refreshing, citrusy kick that's just gonna lift up your beer a little bit. Start with a little bit of Yuzu and top that up with your favorite delicious beer.